Kenang guys, kenang. Monday motivation. Tumelang. Monday motivation. Kenang guys, Moleni, Monday, it's Monday. Moleni, Diamond, good morning, my pastor. Di emelo ar umpolaya. Kinte Ntuse ar dumela pastor. Dineo ar dumela morning tatenovi. Aubrey ar yes, Aubrey. Ebusisiwa are ndifika iti andifika anga dikalelekile kore umpha khotso hantle kore ke guys, good morning. Guys, good morning. It's Monday motivation today. Nikhala fela ho share le batho ba go wisha. What are you go wisha le fatsile? Na ke thutile re go wisha nhle. But taba go wisha is so one of the thing ke thutile nyona. Ona le batho ba go wisha mar ba thutse ba itse kwa bantu ba thuleyo. Na le batho ba thutse mar ba go wisha mpap re go wisha ba gaisho. And go wisha ka ditsela tsa ka dintho tse different ba go wisha financially, but can it ba go wisha dintho tsa bona di tsamaya ntlo kwa ba ntse izinto tsa bona ngambi ka kuhle financially, but ba go wisha debts batho ba ka dikolotong abantu ba sematyaleni, and all of those things do to peace ya motho zonke zo zinto. Those things they've got dinale a way out peace ya moto, and then all about go wishang the relationship in manyalong. I go sure man does see how we few and I will go wish you straight. I don't want to lie. I see go wish about so long. Go wish and then take it to you like your aditi ho go wisha hona haruna re dilana le hona ka tsela tse different kwa bantu bathi nxa ba go wisha ba za ukhala hona le batho ba llang when ba go wisha balle moleni bantasi moleni dinithanda kakhulu ke le rata hona, so na le batho ba llang, and then ha ba go wisha then ububa le batho aba who are good to hide their pain. There are people who are very good to hide their pain. Yes, go about to hide their pain. When I'm about to buy master about hide their pain, ya born. Bazo sheka, sheka, abanye they will post batini kanti abanye ba go wisha, but it's just that unto go wisha re sisebenza ngendlela ezohlukene now, but one of the things ke thutile nyona batho ba go wisha ra go wisha hole, and batho ba bangata we go wisha financially. Monoting batho ba go wisha guys financial ibile ki dumelana le ba lo kore ke tsama ke believe or ba lo ibana ba bua nnete. Last time I was praying for this lady, then abathakati bathi no, now re kentse di mahlokwana sticks ba re kentse di sticks mo di ATM re nka value tsa di chelete so that re batho ba be le financial problem. Ba lo ibana ba bua ntho last time ke rapela this lady ba lo ibara re kentse di sticks dinto imicinga sort of me mahlokwana mollo ba re ba kentse the ATM so banka di values tsa ditšhelete. And one of the things ke thutileng yona kre most of us we don't pray for the cards tsa rona, we don't pray for the tšhelete tsa rona. When tšhelete e click fela, you just go to the ATM and withdraw. Nje siyatsala sithini, but forgetting or guys, hey, sure. But that is not the main thing today. But the main thing about one of the things that can help us to because I agree the challenges are on trading. I see the challenges take a solve now. You know, there are problems as in that problem it will do eligible until nako e right. Remember, there are problems. Cooking like man as chincho ezilungiswa cooking like ezilungiswa lixesha. There are problems elungiswa nkenako. Because it doesn't matter, you can try to change to fix that problem, but it won't change. Honali the problem elungiswa nkenako. Itla itwikisetswa ke nako when nako ele right, that problem will change. Hey! Woo! Hey! Abana tseo tsona ezo problem etsende tse lukiswa nke nako. Ay. Di bohloko tseno. Yabana ezo problem ezilukiswa lixesha. Ay. Abana na le di problem guys tse lukiswa nke nako. You can do whatever. Ukaba li sleep nights like it's really bitang di ungalali ucingane nalento kuru planela nthola bathi bisaloke hona le di problem guys tsesa looking nobungenza yonke into, but that problem izolungiswa lixesha and that problem etlalukiswa kinako kanako ya yona kanako e right, it will just change nje. Now, the problem is in the problem is in how do you deal with the problem? How do you deal with the problem? Because guys, there are problems still. You can do whatever, you can try, you can do everything, but it won't change. It won't be okay. That problem when the time is right, it was lungelat. And it's the frustrator those problems the frustrator. But now, how do you deal? How do you overcome that problem? Number one, le mamet ya pele mameleng he ya pele matshepo le mamele ya pele and when I refeel wa bona problem e take buang ka tsona tsena tse lukswang ke nako. Agree, we've got different problems, we've got different problems, and then one of the problems so occurring but this one I will do 1 2 3 etla loka, then that one is easy. Then one of the problem is I've got this problem, let me take my phone and call somebody, and then I know utlan tusaka problem here. This is ezo because I mentioned this simple. You know, you can make just a phone call and then somebody will help you. Then you will talk to somebody and somebody will talk to you. But kuko is the problem. Kuko le tena tse hananhle. Ukari uyacinga ukuthi mari ngabuya limang kapa ukufonela batho ba ba tshepang or guys please man, I'm going through this 1 2 3 mutara batho ba ba tshepa mutabari yo hai a ke tsebe jalo re tlo etsa jwang sfapa luna a le tsebe problem etseo tseo re ga o fonela batho ba re ha re tsebe sfapa re ka etsa jwang. Yes luna le tsebe hle but yapili, how do you deal with the problem at jalo tse lukswang ke nako bona ene le mamele guys le mamele. One, it's when only a strong mind, kelello e powerful, kelello e tsebang. Hey, ke kopa le mamele guys, ke kopa tima radio yena batla ke time radio. Tseno di problem di batla you must have a strong mind, kelello e strong. And why ke re tseno di batla kelello strong? Tse di batla when you know if o gona ho mastera ho convince when if you are good to convince yourself. Tseo tsona di hlolwa ke ntho eo. If you are able to convince yourself, o tla di hlola di problem tsena. Itumele bona, I'm telling you, if o ka tseba ne ke qoqela Lebo maobane ha re hla Lesotho. Ke ne ke qoqela Lebo ke re there was a time nkile nka gabeletsa ex yaka basadi bana ba ka ba nkile ka phela le bona ex yaka hona le mohlankile nka mo gabeletsa ana le moshimane ka tlong ne ba tsotse ne. And then so when kiri but and then Carolana, then I forgive her Saba right, and then I'm not to Buba right. But the problem was now I can't have sex le that ex because every time when Kirki have sex Eliana, then penis ya ka ntle za veli lale ibi robala nje ishwe fela. And then kinana twina it was playing ka mokelelo nyaka. So you know, it was not an easy thing. Now I had to because you need to know how to convince yourself. Convincing yourself here is the bad thing nanti into embi iyenzekile kiyena ntwe buhluku kiyena ntwe painful iyayetsa. But now when you know how to convince yourself, you ubatla tsela ubatla mokgwa wa ho tla ka ntho tlo yetsang right. We are igupa you dig for something that will make you okay kankani. Now ke bolela Lebo kere I had to dig. You know what happened? I was very frustrated ke sa kgone ho have sex. Now ke be ke one day ke dutse ke be ke re no ke be ke tloa ke nahana kere but Novi le wena ha o ntso driver di taxi tsa Majakatata gel tla shubisa driver ma taxi wa Majakatata. There was a lady o nong o jwala le yena ya neng a nyetswe o butjela malomto. You were having sex le motho ya robetsweng ke monna wa hae. It came to my mind or November le wena o no yetsa ntwena. So this thing it's this time. Now, I had to find a way of convincing myself to this thing. Guys. Now, I had to dig the coupe, get chicken to get back into positive. It's on get right. Number 2, Kaganana Kermar, it's a year as much Kimuhabeledite Ajola. But something came to my mind to Renovi. The time uno kala kopanali this wife ya how. Unanta jola le mama. You managed to have a relationship leana and then now jola. And that time unanta robala una ebelala na namtu. Luena no robala leana. So it is not like kwai ya mutuna. Yeah, this boy, Irobi. Luna. Hey, Luna. I Hi. Domini. BK Palmer. Aye. That wabona life. But you must have an authority over your mind. Ingondo yakho control nguwe. Life but you must have an authority if you you must have an authority over your mind, control nguwe. You must have that authority upon your mind. Right. I had to convince myself, November, it is not like kwai ya that boy irobehetse kara lepona lena la motho wa and then two ke na no ntho ragnove le wena gale o ietsa ntho o ientse le wena in the past uno ratana le mosadi wa motho, and then so why worry? No, because this thing ietsala ka wena yenzeka kuwe gogo. And then if uno gona ho ja ho robala le mosadi ya robetsweng ke monna wa hae, so why we etsa ka ho difficult to robala mosadi wa. Number two, if utibena na lo mtu elalwa ejola ajola le motho, why we etsa ka rona jole so le thata, because that time o kopane le this ex-wife ya ajola le motho ajola le wena antana le motho, and then it means bane ba robalana le motho bebelalana. So why we etsa ka rona it's difficult to o kinye kwa yao bana ba go gai ya ema ka ditlhakwana ya ema ka ditlhakwana ya ema ka ditlhakwana ya ema ngenyao ya wotla jwale ka mollo wa ntho la nkutla bana ba go ga le ntshwarela a ke tsebe network e try ho etsa mo. Then I overcome unto you. Now ke overcome that challenge ka hore fela I need to use the same mind yaka to overcome my challenge, and ke be ke hlole ka baka ke be ke ba right. So what I'm trying to say this morning, guys, one, as a person you need ingqondo yakufuna ilawulwe kwena. If you want to overcome your mugowisho wa hao, if you want to overcome mugowisho wa hao, ke thusa batho haholo e senganyane, but hey yaka life e emitsi e kare ke tapa na ile nngwe. I don't convince myself positive be ke declare, but it's like there is a yoke no ke tseba really want that o tseba o bohlokwa so ntho ba tla o yona guys go you ke thuso kore ke be ke tsime o convince kelelo yaka hore e be positive even if honale this situation. So ke batla hore one, you need to have an authority, because when you have an authority kelelong ya engqondweni yakho, you know how to use the same mind to find a reason that will make you okay. A reason e ka o etsang gore o be right. What's about sometimes gore re be right, it is not always the problem it's not the right. No, sometimes I do look but if you don't find, if you can't create a reason right, you'll never be okay. So guys, if you can't, if how much you're to create reasons right, you will never be okay. So the reason why ufanele ingqondo yakho uyifundise, you must teach your mind to dig reasons right. The only way to survive is when ule motho ya sebedisang kelelo ya hae ho batla dintho tse tla mo etsang hore a be right. You need to find ufunize o batle dintho, not because the right, not because the problem is how to solve it, but you need to find a way you need to teach your mind to kelela iwutlele lebaka ikuzele man nebanga lokuthi ube right kuri ribe robono ule right but situation is on ntse more but haru sheba be robono le right and iluhuri ingqondo yakho iyo ekuncedileyo nje uthuswe ikikelelo ya how so now the only way ukathusala nga wena it's when urutile kelelo ya how hore u batlele a positive reason kara negative situation. Hey, guys na go palitwela a positive reason kara a negative and kara a bad situation, but kelelo ibo kela or it a positive reason. You know, because remember, I said some of the problems is zulung. So when we are still waiting for usalinde ixesha ukuthi libe right, usanto emetore problem yawo iluke. Maybe because you are still waiting for nako a right or problem yawo iluke. But you need to allow your mind. And the only way that can you allow your mind, it's when you operate a positive. Because most of the time, positive reasons decrease a positive mind. Are we still together, Bazalwane? Are we still together? Positive reasons decrease a positive mind. Now, you need to make sure that you teach your mind to be positive, so that your positive mind to bring a positive mind, lebaka. Right. A positive mind will be able to bring a reason right kara situation. Yes, ube right in the packet kwemeko about boli right. Ubutola or maru, you are okay. Situation in the silly job. But you are okay. You are okay. Situation is necessary, but you are okay. And the only way it's when your mind who kisses on the back. Like it's on the right. November. I get to keep now. Here's the thing. Remember, the situation is there. You are going through a lot. You are going. But your positive mind, it can bring a reason for you. It's right. Woo! Nagetse wiki le nkutlwa ma. Nagetse. Hai nagetse. Now, mamele. Now, a positive mind. Now, a positive mind will always create a positive result, because if you don't find a reason, if you don't get a reason, if there's no reason, because most of the time when you go through things, how do I don't see anything. That's when but give up. I don't see anything good. I don't see anything good. I don't see anything will change. And boni next good kukundes will change up. But now when you have a positive mind, a strong mind, the same mind that is positive, we are quasi created, because guys, some of the reasons who take a reason to be right hadiyo unless you create a reason that can make you well. na lantene ka ra lengkutlo wa bona o le tsena tla tshwana le ntshe monehelo e ka ra lengkutlo ka ra lengkutlo ka ra lengkutlo guys mabaka a mang a ka re etsa hore be right a creator ayo if you batla lebaka le tlo etsa hore be right aliyo there is no reasons because today we are going through a lot guys to an extent how ruanahana or marlenti zolunga nzani. There's no hope. There is no hope for everything. When I about to meeting this morning, there is no hope in everything. How Roshaba life out, there is no hope. When you meditate about your life, there is no hope. When you check up future, how there is no hope. But let me tell you something. If you have an authority over your mind, then you can also use your mind to create a reason, a positive reason. Right now, a reason you to hold on, a reason. Guys, because sometimes when we try to check the situations that maybe to look at one, there is no hope. This morning, I can tell you there are people who don't see any hope come up here above. And today, some of you, I know you are miserable because there is no hope. When you share the finances, there is no hope. When you check out your future, there is no hope. When you check out, there is no hope. But let me tell you something. The only way that can help you be right is when you allow your mind to create, because we don't have reasons. Take a refund your hope. Harna mabaka refund your hope. But the only way is when your mind you start to create a positive reason. Yoka wana will hold huyona. Negative pretty. I always survive in everything. Now, Domain, you said something. H, there is hope. We need strength to mamela. Now, guys, let me say this. Wabana this morning, dula fatsiluana and create your own reason. Because creating that reason is to try to convince yourself. You are convincing yourself because of this reason. You give yourself a reason, it will find hope. You will survive. Otherwise, if you don't know how to create a reason, how to be created, right? You will never be okay. 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 I mean, can I 2 weeks. 2 weeks. If it next about next. Kore nebile ke blela lebu ke lebu a ke sharp next ra ke batle next o kila bona hore o tlo ra o fune next ko o tlo ra o batle next kore e ka re nka kwala le kereke ngathi ngavali cawe ka re nka kwala nje kereke ka ntena qeta o ikwara ke sebetsa ka di one on one ke feel hore ai ke batle next tlo ke kwale kereke and then ke tla thusa batho mara se ka hlola ke ba thusa ke le moruti a next batle next about next. Ke jwetsa lebo ke ra ke batle next. Guys, next about next. Ben nga funi next ke go palo jwetsa spirit. Ben dinga funi next. 2 weeks e fitile. Ben dinga funi next. Kuta hore ke sharp man. But I had to use this mind. Let's you understand that having a positive attitude brings a positive results. I'm telling you that. I had to keep back things, keep back le baka le ka nketsa gore ke be right because neli le siko. I had to keep back le baka le ka nketsa ke be right. I had to keep back le baka le ka nketsa gore ke be right. Ke le ka le batla le baka le ka nketsa gore ke be right. So in closing, guys, I'm telling you, we are going through a lot, and please don't give up. Ska give up because one day I could tell Pastor unya ha me moya o bua nete time ke Thembi I want it next sabatle next sabatle next kone good like sabatle next, and it is not like in 2050 no I so fair I so fail completely, but like I said, the only thing in Tucson is to have authority over my mind, so that when I feel like that, ke batlana le mabaka ke wa batlana ke ba create I can get somewhere ke be right so that ke kgone ho survive. And if le runa re ke ra phela jwalo guys, ra batla mabaka a ka re thusa gore re survive, and you, if o sa le thole, you must create your own reasons. Learn to create your own reasons or reason. Like abali one fell. Nobody nje. Even if lebaka one, just like how you hold there, hold on. You know, when mutu anali problem ya mautu asa about sama hand, a robile lutu kapa robile mautu, ufua the crash, ufua the crashes, ufua the crashes. Now, purpose of the crashes is to cure Solanga when Mautawa Asoka aba fitting of right. You must lean rely the crashing. That is why but about Robili, but for the crashes, so that at least I rely the crashing. So sometimes you need to create your own reasons. We say as a crash. We say jwala ka di kroko. Tsoka lenang ho tsona, tsoka relayang ho tsona. So we need to create our own reasons, because like I said, sometimes when we go through things, we don't see hope unless you create your own reasons. This morning, you can and creating our own reasons, so that we must be able to we must be able to move away, to move on ka life. Because believe me, one thing you get to do in your the last life is a seasonal. Kore di tswana le winter. Recently, nerna le June, nerna le July. Hono ho bata be kubanda. But as we speak, June, July, di fitile ona just. Rokeno August, no September kapan I don't know. But in take it there is nothing edulam forever. I hear. The only thing you refer, we must have reasons so reka hold down hotsona. Remember the croco, the crashes. You must have reasons yoka lina huyon uriwatsba ki relayle le bakeng lena ki holdile le bakeng lena hore net situation is aka se fite, because believe me guys, di tlo feta. Everything that go on through tsona ha re dintse di tlo feta, whether di tlo feta ka hore di be worse kapa di be good, di batho kusala ikore dintse di tlo feta. There is nothing a permanent. There is no winter a permanent. There is no summer a permanent. There is no spring say permanent. Every into word and high permanent. There is nothing permanent. If you can sit down and remember, Luena, you went through a lot, but it said you will not defeat. When I'm about to buy remember, but today, the liberty o di fitile. So let's honor tsena re tla di lebala, and then ntate modimo a re bless. Let me pray for you guys. Ke kopa bele le tsola ho fela mona. O be ke sandla sakho apa. Ke kopa rapela no mapongo ntate modimo ale hlono lo fatshe. Let me pray. Modimo wa ka ya phelang moyo halang. Ntate wa ka lokileng ka lebitso la Jesu Kristo wa Nazareta. Papa o sengona modimo wa ka re kopa favor ya hao. Ntate wa ka lokileng re thusa. There are people who are going through a lot financially. Modimo wa ka lokileng ba bang they are going through a lot ka dikoloto a matyala wabo. Modimo wa ka some they are going through a lot. Modimo wa ka lokileng ka ramanyalo the relationship tsa bona. Moyo halang I pray ka lebitso la Kriste modimo ya nang le bokgoni ya nang le matla a o lokisa dintho. Modimo ka ke rapela maphelo a setšhaba sa hao. I pray modimo ka lokileng because everything ilaulwa kwe modimo ka lokileng everything you control kwe modimo ka lokileng bophelo ba rona bo control kwena everything even the desire tsa dipelo tsa rona modimo ka lokileng di control kwe future ya rona e matsong a hao. I pray modimo ka lokileng gore re thuse ka lebitso la Jesu Kristo wa Nazareta. Modimo ka lokileng our tomorrow belongs to you. Modimo ka lokileng rona re a leboa o re fila our today. Modimo ka lokileng and re thuse ho celebrate our today because our tomorrow it belongs ga wena. Modimo ka lokileng because you know our tomorrow. Ndatwa ka lokileng re thuse gore ro trust for our tomorrow ka lebitso la Jesu Kristo wa Nazareta. Re thuse modimo ka lokileng ho believe. Help us to believe you and to trust you for our tomorrow. We know Psalm 91 verse number 3. Re tsosola le rabeng la setsume se se banjiwe ngabathakathi se se banjiwe zimeko se re tshwerwe ke maemo mare modimo ka lokileng wena o fihla o re lokolle le o sengwana ke rapella batho ba hao ke ba rapela ka lebitso la Jesu wa Nazareta. Modimo wa ka ya lokileng lokolla ba o satane a tshwere maphelo a bona a tshwereng dikatlao tsa bona a tshwereng diphunyeletso tsa bona a ba banjiweyo ma ba khululeke ekseni nje ba o ditšhelete tsa bona di tlangweng imali zabo ziwethi zibotshiwe diyazikhulula. Modimo ka I release everything including the happiness tsa rona ka lebitso la Jesu. Papa we know happiness tsa rona peace tsa rona enemy ina le tsela ya o di utswa. Modimo ka lokile o sibela zonke izinto Satan o sibola no vuyo lethu o rutswetsa le khotso ya rona. Modimo ka this morning re di reclaim ka lebitso la Jesu wa Nazareta. Papa re a leboa modimo ka lokile from today ke rapela favor ya hao ebe o di mama phela batho bona ka lebitso la Jesu Kristo wa Nazareta. Ke rapela breakthrough ke rapela success modimo ka I declare breakthrough di mama phela bona modimo ka success everything modimo ka lokile ke kopa ba thuse ba atle dintho tsohle ka lebitso la Jesu. Papa we thank you so much modimo ka ke rapela ba bless ka mohlolo wa 3 days lo wa 7 days lo wa 14 days lo wa 21 days bana le dintho tsa ba di batlang modimo ka ke di lokolla ka lebitso la Jesu. O itse morena Jesu o bua le Petros wa re Petros ile inye le lokolla lefatsheng wa re ho pita ko fa key ile inye o lokolla lefatsheng ya lokolwa mahodimo. Modimo ka I know umphila key ya o lokolla dintho tsohle. Papa o sengwana ke lokolla dintho tsohle tsa ba di hlokang ka lebitso la Jesu Kristo wa Nazareth. In Jesus name re a le bontate amen. Oh, thank you guys. Thank you so much. Modimo le bless guys. Thank you so much guys. And that Modimo le bless. Find a reason unobambelela kuyo until ixesha le problem yakho liqeda. Find a reason. Batla lebaka le ka hold down ho lona until your season ya di problem e feta. I'm telling you, find a way, find a reason. You can hold down ho yona until if it. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Modimo bless. Don't forget 6 o'clock tonight. Can I leave that the right pick? 6 o'clock, the right pick. The right pick tomorrow. 9 o'clock, TikTok Onyaka ki live, Pastor November and Victorious. I always pray for people more. TikTok Oyaka. I pray for people, I deliver people, ki deliver about Bandan Lidi, Bakulang. I pray for them. Pastor November and Victorious 5 minutes. TikTok okay, Dr. November kapa Pastor November. Come Tuesday, Busiu. And then tonight, 6 o'clock, get the right pick. Thank you so much, guys. Ndatem Dumali bless our Noma Pongo, thank you so much. Mutumu Ali Shokomel. I pray can it on Datum Dim Ali Tusa. Le fete. Dinton Soketsu Lenkarazo. Nikite. I remember Ankile Kabuama Swanakare. When Jobo Ali Tutubulu, we knew that was just the test. We need to understand that Babang, whatever that is happening with Pilumbao, it's just the test, and it's a distraction. Kinekirutam Tenele Sutuma Banikir. Ona didn't say it's alarm. Fading has the problem. Just it's just the test. It's just the test. Fading is just a distraction. So please, guys, Ndatem Dimali bless it, because Baba Bauluna, you don't have a problem. The only thing you Satanic is saying, which is the distraction, just to distract your mind. You distract you, Satanabata distract your focus. So some of you, it is not that you have a problem, no. It's just that Satan is a distraction. I was saying that yesterday. When Joseph Akataulorane Kiruta Busiu, Lesot, Busiu, Akiruti la Holo, Redonia Lesot, Ben City, O Joseph Nakabu Pupa. Joseph had Etaulora. Mudim amonsa destination ya amonsa Joseph from here oyamane. When Joseph aketa ubona destination ya because the dream ya Joseph in a bonsa destination ya Joseph oyakai. But kibonsa bakir after that dream Joseph yakala experience adintote muhloko hatred abamushoya bamulahlela mukoti bamulahlela mnonyeni bamfaka etrongweni kene kiblela about you. All of those things were not problem to Joseph, but it was just a distraction. So Satanana disebedisa to distract Bupilo about Joseph. Ukuti anga fikeleli apa ayakon. So sometimes we need to understand or her religion. Babambaluna, the enemy will bring problems, but when now the sheba obudi bona ili problems can't you know? That's I see the problem into them. Give the distraction. Satan disebedisa just to distract your life or uskawa shola. O focus, o skashola, o wisha, o achieve. So we need to understand that sometimes we are distracted, not really the problem, you know. Satan only the problem. Thank you so much, guys. And then Mutimali bless him.